How to make Uber Eats driver account in Portugal. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can make Uber Eats driver account. Now, the first thing you want to do is download and install the Uber driver app on your device. Once you do that, tap it open. Now, it's going to ask you to access the device's location. Tap on the Allow option or while using the app option. Now, this is going to be the interface of Uber Driver app. Go ahead and tap on the Continue option over here. Now, in order to create an Uber Eats driver account, you require an Uber Eats account. So if you have not created your Uber Eats account yet, you want to quickly head over to Uber Eats. You want to create a new account, you can do that using your mobile number. You can also continue with your Google account or Apple account or continue with email. So you can use whichever option you prefer. Here, I have used my Google account to create an Uber Eats account. You will have to fill up the information such as your mobile number and date of birth. You want to fill up all the details and your Uber Eats account will be successfully created. Once it has been created, you want to head over to Uber Driver app. Now, if you have logged into Uber Eats using the same device, then your account is going to be automatically detected in the Uber Driver app as well. All you want to do is tap on the Continue option. Now, once you have been signed in using your Uber Eats account on the Uber driver, you want to set up your profile. After setting up the profile, you will have to upload the required documents. Now, the requirements in Portugal is identification document, economic activity code, bank statement, profile photo. If you are driving a motorbike, you require the driver's license, vehicle insurance, and documents of the motorbike. Once you have entered all of these required details, you want to pass a safety screening. Then you want to activate your account. After that, you will have to purchase an insulated delivery bag. Now remember that you have to be at least 18 years old and have a car, motorbike, or scooter to become an Uber Eats driver. You can start receiving delivery requests once you're notified that your account is active. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.